Eric Peterson with Arborisk here. Today's weekly business tip, we're going to talk about the cost new on your business auto policy. Now, we often get asked, what is this cost new field that's listed on my business policy? Now, so if you look at your business policy, business auto policy, you'll see a line that says cost new next to every vehicle, and it will have some value. That value is essentially a underwriting tool and a claims tool to help them, one, appropriately price the insurance policy for your physical damage, the comprehensive and collision, and two, to help the claims adjuster get the appropriate value for you come claim time. So first off, I want to explain the cost new directly. The cost new, actually the value that they're looking to have on that policy is the cost of that vehicle plus any attachments when it was actually manufactured. In the article here, I give an example, and I'm making these numbers up, but an example of a 2018 International. Let's say the cabin chassis was a total of $90,000 for the cabin chassis. In that International, we added then a bucket truck, and aerial lift, a regular forestry package. Let's just say that cost $70,000 in 2018 when it was all assembled and manufactured. So the total cost new in 2018 of that vehicle would be $160,000. That's the value that should go on the insurance policy. It doesn't matter what you paid for it. If you bought it in 2020 for $100,000, that doesn't matter. It matters what it would have been when it was manufactured. Now, again, this is it sets the pricing guideline. It's not every factor in the price, that's for sure. It sets a claims value, but it's definitely not a limit of coverage. It helps the adjuster guide them on finding the actual value when you have to have it repaired or replaced, or an accident happens, a claim happens. So really the main thing we want to do is work with our customers, and you should look at your policy, work with your agent to make sure the values of your vehicles are in line. The worst case scenario is if you start playing games with that and you try to lower the value just to lower premium, you could get burned on a claim, or you could get burned on the renewal of your policy, or perhaps if an underwriter looks at it and sees those cost news really undervalued, they might just straight up non-renew your policy unless you actually adjust them. So it's not anything that you want to play games with. You want to make sure that the insurance policy is set up the right way, in a fair way for everybody involved, and that you get the right value on a claim based on the actual cabin chassis and the permanently attached equipment on your vehicle. Please read the article for a little more detail. I hope this helps explain what the value of cost new is. Again, reach out to an Arborisk team member if you have any questions, and remember to please be safe out there.